Hi, I'm Nikki and I'm Head of Marketing and Communications. We just wanted to let you know about the additional measures that we're putting into place on our buses to keep you and our drivers safe. So obviously at the moment, safety starts with increased cleaning regimes, and we've demonstrated already how we're cleaning all the additional touch points and grab rails. Basically anything that gets touched regularly is being deeply sanitised every single evening. As well as that, for social distancing, and we're asking all customers to adhere to the new signage on board our vehicles. So basically, you can sit in every other row. Wherever there is a green window sticker, you can sit there. And when there's a red sticker, it means the seat or the row is out of use. They're clearly marked with these sashes as well. When there's a double row with a green window sticker, we're asking you to sit by the window but not sit in the aisle seat. The only exception to that, however, is of course if you're travelling with another member of your own household, you can and you're encouraged to sit side by side. So when you're ready to catch the bus, the first thing obviously is to check the time if you don't already know it. And we are absolutely recommending to everybody at the moment to rely on our website and our app live times. So you can save your website as a favourite, apply that to your phone screen, and you can either look for your route or look for your stop, and then all the information will come up there for you. If you need somebody to help you with that or talk you through it, you can call our customer service lines, and one of our agents will be more than happy to help and talk you through how to do that. And of course, at the bus stop, social distancing still applies. So in our busier areas, in bus stations and key stops around the city centres, we're starting to do some distance markers, which is clearly showing 2 metres apart. But even if you're at a stop which doesn't have this, I think we're all so used to queuing now that we can all guess how far apart 2 metres is. But please do remember to respect other customers. And when the bus arrives, we are asking you all to please allow anybody that wants to get off that vehicle to allow them plenty of space to get off first before you start to board. So hopefully all of that reassures you that we're doing what we can to keep everybody safe. But of course we've all got our part to play, and we all have to take personal responsibility as well. Not forgetting that hand washing is still the most important things, and we're advising customers to do that as soon as you can once you leave a bus. And if you can, when you're on board, wear a face covering. And just to remind everybody as well, if you can pay via contactless or our app or the smart card, that is the best way to pay at the moment, because drivers obviously are doing far less cash transactions, meaning change is limited. But if you can only pay by cash, we're also encouraging you to pay by the correct change if you can. And although today, here I am at Moorbus in Poole, and we're filming the video here on Moorbus, all of these measures are in place in our sister companies across Go South Coast, including Blue Star and Unilink, Salisbury Reds, Swindon's Bus Company and Southern Vectors. Thank you.